I was like, screw what Jason talking about. I hopped out this car. I'm like, there go my baby. Listen to that freight shaker. Loud. Alright, I'm gonna pause it for now, y'all. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sunshine, and today we're gonna be giving you guys the walk around tour of our Freightliner Classic XL. We are finally picking it up in Grenada, Mississippi from the previous owner. We purchased it when we first went there. I think I did some postings on my community section, but we purchased the truck, but we decided to leave the truck with the previous owner so that because we didn't have insurance on it and we didn't really have time to go get it, and we weren't really in a rush to go get it. So today is the day we're going to be picking up the Freightliner and giving you the walk around. We're 20 miles away, well actually 24 miles away according to that sign, from Grenada. So stay tuned, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to be doing a whole album series of us remodeling this truck and showing you guys everything that we're going to be doing to it, so stay tuned. So we out here at this freaking Walmart up there, like we at a stakeout, like one of my subscribers said. We waiting on the guy to come up here. He talking about he trying to clean out the truck. It's gonna be a few minutes. I'm like, dude, I've been in this industry for how long? I ain't scared of no dirt. Don't worry about it. Like, I've been trying to tell them to like keep everything how it is in the truck. You know, we'll clean it out. But he a older, you know, driver, and they, you know, they believe in pride and they ride. Although when I tell you guys the truck, it doesn't really matter. Even if he cleans the stuff out of it that's in it right now, it don't really matter, because the driver, the previous owner before him, when he had the truck, he was already stripping the truck out so that he could, it looked like he was trying to do redo the floors in it, and he stripped all the vinyl that usually come in the truck. He stripped it out, which I'm gonna show you guys. But anyways, we out here in Grenada, Mississippi. Everybody looking at me like I'm crazy. It was just a trucker out here a few moments ago. He looked at me and he looked twice. He like, what you doing out here, standing out here? I'm outside of the vehicle because my drivers be calling in and different brokers be calling in, and I don't want them to hear it's Jason in a car. I don't want them to hear a cross conversation. So that's what we doing today. I'm excited to show you guys this project. We have ordered so much stuff for the truck already. Like, I've been just at home ordering stuff, and the only thing we really haven't ordered yet, we haven't really did the major outside chrome stuff, but we're gonna do everything all over. I don't know. I'm about to call the guy and like get an update and find out where he at, because it has been a minute, you know. Well, it haven't. I'm just an impatient person. So we are up here at this truck stop not too far. The truck didn't have but a little bit of fuel in there. Like, we couldn't even make it to like a major truck stop. So we're up here at this Spirit and Grenada, just put enough fuel in it just to get it home and everything, or get it to a major truck stop. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna give you guys this walk around tour real quick. It ain't gonna be too detailed because this thing has some yellow jackets in it. There's some yellow jackets, and it was a nest in the engine, so we've been spraying it. We sprayed it with a little bit of diesel and knocked it down, but for some reason it could be some more inside of the engine. So I'm gonna just call this truck, because on the way, I'll tell you guys, on the way just riding this truck, I tried to get a film it coming back so y'all can see how it ride, but unfortunately due to some other business that I had to take care of, we won't be adding that in there. But it's some freaking yellow jackets in this engine. So we gonna call this the graveyard truck. The truck was pulling flatbed not that long ago. I say a year ago, not even a year ago. It's been pulling flatbed, but it's a lot of stuff with this truck that gotta get fixed. And the truck is parked outside of one of our people's houses, so I'm gonna try not to get they house on the video. But this is the Freightliner Classic XL Detroit 60 series engine. It does have 1,000,000 miles on it, and this is up under the engine. Let me tell you guys, I ain't had an old school truck in a long time. Like, y'all can see, if y'all see me, I'm not even gonna front, if y'all see me run a little bit, it's because these yellow jackets coming out. And that's why I say this truck coming straight from the graveyard. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff to it. It needs a lot of work. We're going to be doing a whole new replacing different parts and up under the engine. But we definitely love the fact that it has the Detroit 60 series engine. And what else? It's a classic. He's not here. Oh yes. They like, you driving that big truck. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff. We're gonna be doing a paint job. I already ordered the fabric for the interior. We're gonna just be replacing all the chrome. But just to let you guys know, we only paid $10,000 for this truck. I really just wanted to buy the engine and the frame. I didn't care about whether it worked or not or whatever. Shoot, I would have probably got it towed for the same price. That's, to me, that's how I feel, because I want a classic. I wanted an old school truck. I used to have old school trucks, but I gave them away because I didn't know what they were worth. But I said if I did have an opportunity to get something close to old, this is a 2000 Freightliner. So I'm going to keep this one. It's paid in full. I got the title and everything to it. We got a paid in full truck, a paid in full trailer, and we have some other trucks that we're I guess renting or leasing or whatever that we're on. But this is our official paid in full, so we can sit here until the cows you guys know. So let me give you guys a walk around tour of this Freightliner Classic XL. So let me tell you something. I know I am not going to be able to open this hood. It took 2 men to open this hood. It is heavy as ever. So when I'm in this, I'm probably going to have to get out and ask people for some help, or I'm gonna have to do some push-ups and get my muscle together. And it still has the old company. I'm gonna go the other way because them freaking yellow jackets is killing me. But another thing, where it was parked at, this, when I first got it, you see that crack in that windshield, it wasn't there. So wherever the dude had it parked at, they cracked the windshield. So as is, this is how it's looking. And he still got the old company on there, so don't pay them no attention. We had a not for hire sticker on there. And on our way moving this, why was every scale house open? But that was crazy. Like, I knew that if they would have pulled us into this scale, we would have been put out of service. We would have got written up for so much stuff because the back lights work when they want to work. That's the exhaust pipe. Here go the tanks of it, and it's not that much lighting. I tried to do the walk around in the daytime, but I got distracted. We're gonna be replacing this tank if we can't get that dent pulled out of it, and just chroming it out, as you guys know. But that's, let me see if I can step back and give you guys a side view of that. It came with the headache rack for flatbed, because again, it was pulling flatbed. Brand new tires all the way around on the back. He didn't even get to haul a load with these tires on there. So I felt like between the engine, the frame, the headache rack, and the tires, I felt like even with all that, I feel like I got my money's worth, or we got our money's worth. So this is the back part of it. I know it's gonna be some kind of lighting stuff. All this stuff, flaps, everything is getting replaced out of this truck. All these little shock absorbers and stuff like that, the shocks, the whole brake system lines is getting replaced. We don't know whether or not we gonna pull a flatbed, but I know for starters, we gonna get this rack removed off and just put to the side, because it is adding to the weight of the truck, and it's also in a way of for when we do our paint job. I don't know how y'all get these headache racks off. So if you a flatbed driver, then please tell me, how do you remove this headache rack off this truck without crushing yourself? This is the side piece. As you can see, the original owner of the truck had this truck leased on to Swift, and I hate that they pulled that sticker off like that, but we just gonna sand that off and take a heat gun to the other autumn lights. You see how these lights, the chicken lights, is all cracked and everything. So we just got it. It's a junkyard. Look at the look at the exhaust pipe. That boy is like leaning. This is how he drove this back. Like, he didn't even try to put the bracket on there. He just like, if it falls off, it falls off. But this is how it's looking. We got that. What I like about the old school trucks is everything up under the engine is real easy to get to. Like, everything. We gonna have to replace the, look, somebody zip tied. This how you know they wasn't really, it must have been an outlaw in this truck, because they zip tied the springs, the leaf springs together. But it's okay, because we gonna get this truck a lot of love, and when we done with it, y'all not even gonna be able to recognize it. So this is under the engine, Detroit 60 series. Let me see. Now I'm gonna show y'all the inside. Po baby, po baby. Luckily for us, we not trying to do a low. Oh, speaking of that, I'm gonna have to show y'all the inside from the passenger side, because the driver's side door is jacked up. Look at this. I told the guy don't worry about cleaning out the trash, because he was an older guy and he been trying to heal from what he's been going through. But I'm gonna clean this thing out. The first thing we gonna do in this video, in the next video, is clean the truck out completely. It's a graveyard truck. So everything in this truck, that's the panel. And let me see if I can climb up in here. I got on sandals, y'all. But surprisingly, this truck actually had an E-log system in it. And the driver, outlaw again, he didn't even turn it back in to the company. That's the dash and everything. All that stuff is going to be redone. I think I'm going to preserve the grain and keep that, but everything else is going to be redone. The door panel, the driver's side door panel, I've already ordered the liners for that. So it just needs some love. It just needs some love. All the vinyl off the top of this is removed. It's been skimmed off because the last driver was trying to fix it up. You got the black interior. I'm just thinking about what I'm gonna do with this. I don't even know for sure what I'm gonna do. I don't know how I was thinking about taking these cabinets out at first, but I don't know really how much work is gonna be put into even removing them out. Or I might just get them rewrapped and everything. But I'm thinking about opening this up and making it a little bit more spacious. Maybe what do you guys think? Do you guys think that I should move this top bunk? Like, what ideas do you guys have? If you got some ideas about what I should do and my project towards fixing this up, definitely drop them down in the description or down in the comment section, and we will definitely take that into consideration. If you guys know any discount places to get stuff, get deals on stuff that we can use to put on this truck, definitely let us know. Hey, I'm loving these windows. Oh, this is exactly why I said I'm thinking about removing the top bunk, because I really love these windows. And the guy, he said he just bought these speakers to put in there, so I guess I gotta test them out. I don't know if they're new or used, but I'm still gonna test them out. It also came with a radio and everything, but we gonna hook this up. The seats, we're gonna be getting legacy seats. This is the passenger side seat. I know y'all probably like, look at this piece of junk right here, but I know I'm gonna get y'all comments and everything. It this is how she come. We got a box of saltine crackers in here. This is how she come, as is. We bought it as is. We were more concerned with, or more interested in, the frame and the engine and the body, like everything. So stay tuned, you guys. This is our quick walk around. Let me see. I don't even know how to open this door. Like, the seats jacked up. Look at this. I don't remember how the guy said to open this door. Hold on, let me see. I'm locked in, y'all. I don't remember if this thing was for the door or the window. But you know what? I'm just about to climb out of the back out the way that I got in. So, hey, if y'all watching and y'all want this e-log system back, I will gladly send this back to y'all. I'm probably gonna reach out to the company and see if they want this back, because it ain't really nothing that I can do with it, and it looks like I can crank this up and send them a message, because it sure looks active. Like, so I gotta figure out how to remove that, and I'm gonna start cleaning this truck out on the next video. So let me get out. I'm not even sure if this exhaust pipe is secure to this truck, but I'm gonna get out, show y'all the other side of this engine. It's a hot, beautiful day out here. Sorry about my fingers getting in the way. You got your Detroit 60 series engine. I love it, you guys. Look at those springs. That's it. Let me know what you guys think about this truck. Peace.